Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how I get clients for my graphic design work and how you can also use this strategy. Because no matter how good you are, if you don't tell people what you do or they don't know that you exist, then you will not make any money. This method is not only for graphic designer but also to anyone looking to find clients. So watch all the videos so you don't miss out any strategy. If you are not yet a graphic designer, then you are missing out on some extra money. So you should consider subscribing, because here we teach you graphic design skills and how to get clients and start making money. But before we get started, there are some things you need to put in place, which is by being professional, by creating yourself a Facebook page or Instagram page dedicated only to your work, where you can be showcasing your work for future clients to see. With all that out of the way, we will start by getting clients by using Facebook, and we will be targeting delivery service because we just finished creating their explainer video in the last video. But just replace delivery service with any other service you want to target. So by getting clients, first I want you to visit Facebook search library, Facebook search and search delivery service. Scroll to where you see pages and tap on it. Where you see pages and you tap on it. So these are delivery services that you can start messaging right away. These are delivery services that you can start messaging right away. So as you can see, this is delivery service that you can start messaging right away. So that's the first. So when you start doing searches like this on Facebook, for example, as we just did delivery service, in no time Facebook will start providing you with delivery service. You are running ads, we are running Facebook ads. For example, this is a delivery service. As you can see here, sponsored means it is running Facebook ads. So when you start seeing such people who are running Facebook ads based on what you have searched, I want you to like it, interact with it, maybe visit their page, like some of their videos or photos. By doing so, Facebook will keep suggesting such services to you, such delivery services to you, and that's how you continue be contacting them to. So as you can see, these are all delivery services. These are all delivery services that you can start messaging. And if you don't know how to start messaging or what to say, then don't worry. In the next video, I will be showing you how I do it, how I price my work, and if a client say your price is too expensive, what you should do. So consider subscribing and turn on post notifications so you don't miss those videos. So the next way you start getting clients for your graphic design work is by using groups, Facebook groups. So the same way we did and we search delivery service, I just want you to now to scroll to where it says groups and tap on it. Now I want you to join some of these Facebook groups, and when you join it, this is what you need to do. Don't spam the groups. For example, this is one that I've just joined. Since these people are focused on delivery service, they will be posting that they do delivery service, and all you have to do is just wait. When they post, you start messaging them. Like this person, you see this person is offered delivery service. You just have to come here and start messaging these people. So that is the next strategy. So the next method I use in getting clients is by using the Facebook ads library. When you reach the Facebook ad library, these are people that are already running ads. For example, now just type in delivery service. As you can see, Facebook is already providing me with some people that I can just start messaging. So you can just start messaging these people. And when you search, as you can see, this is 42,000 results based on this keyword that we have input here. All you need to do is you just come in and you do your research, and you see the one who are related to the delivery service that you want, and then you start messaging them. If you are getting any value so far from this video, then please consider liking, commenting and subscribing so YouTube can suggest more good videos like this to you, and it helps to grow the channel. So the next method I use in getting clients is by using Instagram. All what I've said earlier by using Facebook can be applied in Instagram, and you can just start messaging all these people. As you see here, these are all related to delivery service. or in your case you can put what you want to search, the service that you want to search. You can just start messaging them. But additionally, what we'll be doing is we'll be using the hashtag. So you come here and you tap on the hashtags, then you search. As you can see, this is a hashtag here with the keyword delivery service of over 2.3 million posts. This is another one here. This is another hashtag here of delivery service. This is another hashtag here. This is another hashtag here. All these hashtags, all you need to do is you go into these hashtags, you do your research, and you start messaging who are related to your delivery service or any other service that you want to. As you can see, I've just entered one hashtag, and directly just from looking like this is a delivery service that I can send message to. This is a delivery service, this is a delivery service, this is a delivery service. So you go in, you take your time, you start looking, checking all these profiles, and you see the ones that you need to message. Additionally, you are a graphic designer or any other thing that you do, you should join some active graphic design groups, or based on what you are doing, join your active Facebook groups, Facebook community, or any other community. Here you can be sharing ideas and growing. And as you grow in these communities, there are also clients who are looking for service providers, and when they drop such things, they are looking for service providers, you can just be messaging them. There are clients full in these communities. So you do your research properly, because also there are also some fraudsters which are in these communities. So you do your research. As you message them. But when you are here, you get to be with like-minded people, and you get to learn and you grow. So comment down below which method you have used before, or if you know of any method that I did not mention here, please comment down below so others can learn. See you in the next video. Stay creative.